Hello, brilliant minds and future tech trailblazers. Welcome back to Code Your Way to Glory, your go-to podcast. Today, we discuss about harnessing AI, the catalyst for progress. As we stand at the forefront of technological revolution, where artificial intelligence is not just a tool but a game changer, a golden ticket to unlocking the full potential of IT industries and beyond. AI is the compass guiding us through the ever-changing winds of innovation, helping us navigate uncharted waters with precision and foresight. In the IT industry, AI has become the Swiss Army knife for solutions, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, enhancing cybersecurity, or analyzing mountains of data. In the blink of an eye, AI transforms complexity into clarity. Picture this. A development team as busy as bees, racing against deadlines when suddenly AI swoops in, a knight in shining armor, to automate code debugging or predict system failures before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball, letting us stay one step ahead in a world where time waits for no one. Perhaps AI's impact doesn't stop at the office door. It trickles into real world application, from virtual assistants leading a helping hand to AI powered traffic systems, easing our commutes. AI is woven into fabric of daily life. AI isn't just cherry on top, it's the foundation for personalized medicines, detecting anomalies in scans faster than ever before. AI bridges gap, enabling tailored learning experiences for students across the globe, proving that knowledge truly knows no bounds. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We must embrace AI not as a replacement for human ingenuity, but as a partner. The best result comes when human and AI works hand in hand, a perfect example of many hands making light work. So let's not sit on the fence but ride the wave of AI driven ideology. Collaboratively, challenges can be turned into stepping stones, unlocking opportunities that once seemed out of reach. Because when man and machine join forces, possibilities are boundless, and the future becomes not just a destination but a masterpiece waiting to be painted. And so, as we stand at the crossroad for innovation and opportunity, let's remember that the power of AI lies not just in its algorithm, but in how we choose to wield it. Together, by blending human creativity with machine intelligence, we can write future that's not just bright but limitless. Thank you for being part of this exciting journey.